This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Vacco. A rare find. On the water. Only one available in Avion Park, 5 minutes boat ride to Tin City and Naples Bay. Plus, this waterfront property offers the best of living in the heart of Naples in an old Florida intimate waterfront community. It is well maintained and a perfect sanctuary for the buyer who is looking for a home that needs no work. The dock accommodates a nice-sized boat, access to the Gulf to fish, bird watch, jet ski, or just cruise and enjoy the sunsets. Residents of Avion Park enjoy half-priced membership to Walker's Hideaway Marina, just a short bike ride or walk from the house with access to amenities such as pool, spa, and dining, or enjoy the brand new dog and children's park with dockage for kayaks, electric and water available at dock. For more information, review the details below or contact Paul Vacco at 239-776-1960.